Kinder Playtime.
Hey Chloe, where did we get this?
A surprise box from the mail.
Oh my goodness, someone sent us this? Hi Emily. It says ZURU Rainbocorns Sequin inside.
Whoa.
Series 2.
Series 2?
I know. What's it say on the top? Who will you hatch? Oh my goodness, who will we hatch? The ultimate surprise egg.
I want to thank ZURU for sending this today.
Uh-oh. I didn't get that straight at all. Oh my goodness.
We can't open it.
Party time! Oh my goodness, we're making a mess.
Alright, look at all these cool rainbow corns we just got. This is awesome.
Look at their horns, are so pretty.
I know, look at how pretty the horns are.
Yeah.
And they're all different colors, and of course the sequence hearts. Can you guys find the golden flamingo corn? That's gonna be cool. I hope one of them's in there. That would be awesome.
What if it's this one?
I don't know. You think it is?
And you get like a little baby.
Maybe it is.
And the eggs, the tiny eggs.
Oh my goodness, it says there's 10 layers to hatch. So we have a sweet scented rainbow corn, rainbow corn poop, a surprise accessory, boo-boo corns, which are like little like pencil toppers it looks like. And it says stickers and more. Okay, Chloe, which one are you starting with first?
This one.
All right, looks like a silver heart and like a blue and silver horn. Okay, and Emily?
This one.
All right, so we got a gold heart and this pink and blue top.
I like it.
I know, let's open them up, girls.
Yeah!
I found this thing on the back. It says, I heart you. And it is a hatching hint. I don't know what that means, but let's find out. And Chloe says, I heart snowflakes.
Probably it's a snow one.
Oh, look, we got to our hearts. So we got a little like rainbow heart and a gold heart. And what does it look like when you flip it?
Well, yours is pink. Maybe this is a hint.
Maybe it is. I don't know. Chloe, yours smells delicious. Do these things smell?
Yeah.
I think they do.
And mine smells like mint.
Yours is like a rainbow poop.
Yeah, it is. It's a poop. Let's open it! Whoa! So
You jumped.
I found the egg.
You did.
I found my pink egg. I got Jazz.
Ooh, Jazz.
And I got Luna.
Luna.
And these are actually hair bows.
They're hair bows. You got poop in your hair, Emily.
I'm gonna change it to gold.
You gonna put yours on? Oh, so fancy. Oh, so fancy. I think you can actually put them on their chest though, like right here.
Yeah, you can.
I think they snap on. Yeah, and you can change them out. All right, so they have their hearts in now. Oh, that's so good. And they smell so good.
It smells like candy, and hers smells like peppermint. Peppermint.
They're delicious smelling.
Yeah, I wish I could eat it.
But let's not. Ooh, they both came with these really cool stickers. Look at that. I think they're the same on each one. Yep. So we got the same stickers. Look how sparkly they are.
Yeah, so sparkly.
Woo!
Now I'm a unicorn.
They each came with this rainbow corn blind bag.
Yeah.
And also a surprise egg.
And some poop.
And some rainbow corn poop.
There used to only be 2 colors, but now they have 3 colors.
There's 3 colors in there?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty exciting. What do you guys want to open first?
The eggs.
You want to open the eggs? Okay, cool.
Babies. Aww, she has a sparkly horn.
Ooh, that is cute.
What
What'd you get, Chloe?
Oh, we both got really cute ones. I got like a seal.
Oh, look how cute they are.
Yeah.
What'd you get in your blind bags?
So I'm doing my. I got a bracelet.
Oh, wow. Oh, I like these.
I got yellow.
Look at this, guys. Oh, look, it's the ones you guys got.
Yeah, they're like friendship bracelets.
Yeah, look, and it's got even the right heart on them. So yours is the poop heart. And yours is the star heart.
Yeah.
Wow, I like these. So you can put them on and be their best friend.
Or you can put them on them.
Well, I guess you could do that too.
Yeah, I just bought this.
All right, get that rainbow corn poop out.
I got yellow. I got yellow too.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, there's pink. It's a bunch of different colors, aren't there?
Pink.
Oh, yeah.
And then purple. These are all my 3 different poop. I got pink. I got pink. Pink too. Isn't that, that looks so cool.
Nothing like playing with poop to make your day all better.
It's actually sand.
Is sand? Does it feel like sand?
Yeah, it feels like soft sand.
Oh, nice. Make something out of yours.
I'm gonna smush it together so it'll never come out again. Look at that.
That's pretty
They
cool.
both got the same colors. I don't know why.
Yeah, maybe it's the same colors every time.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, that's so pretty.
I didn't think I'd ever say poop is pretty.
It's rainbow. It's rainbow. I'm gonna do this one now. I'm gonna do this one now.
All right.
Woo!
So we got like a gold. Oh goodness, they're everywhere. We got a gold heart. That's like last time for Emily, right?
Yep.
And then we have a pink heart. I wonder if they're gonna be different.
I hope they're good. I hope mine was good.
Emily has a clue. It says, I heart ice cream truck.
What?
Oh, Chloe has a clue.
Woo!
It's I heart rainbow.
What?
Woo!
That is so cool. I might get the rainbow flamingo.
What's behind that heart, Chloe?
What is
Get
it?
in there.
Oh, there's like a little smiley face or something.
I don't know what that is. I don't know. We'll have to come back to that one.
Mine's is ice cream.
It's an ice cream cone.
I like it.
Oh, I do too. That's cool. What is this? It looks like almost like a soda can or...
It looks like a
Wait a second. What is this? Look at the belly.
No way! No!
Did we find the golden flamingo corn?
No!
I think we did. Open it up. Open it up.
What? Oh, no way! I think I got. What is this?
It's a panda.
It's a panda.
Whoa, we got the golden one. We got the flamingo. The golden one. And we got this pink panda.
Yeah, that's ours ice cream. Yay!
Wow, that was a cool one. That was a great round. I like that one. Okay, so they have their hearts on now. Cool. Ice cream. I love ice cream too.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
love ice
Shall we start with the eggs? So we got a purple egg.
And I go.
You got a golden egg.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's open them up.
I'm gonna crack it like a normal egg.
How are you? Okay.
Oh,
Do you scream at eggs normally?
oh,
What'd you get?
Another one of these. Mine's purple.
All right. So here's our little baby unicorns, rainbow corn. Excuse me.
Aww.
And the bracelets match once again the same thing that you guys got. So Chloe and then Emily got the panda, and we got these cool stickers.
Yeah, they're doing different things.
Are they doing different things?
They have different things on
Do they look? Oh, they do. They look a little different. Different colors.
Yeah, and different like things,
I see.
animals and stuff.
Awesome. Well, here's your stickers back. Oh, and we still got rainbow corn poop. Yep, same colors.
Yep,
Let's add this poop
to the poop pile.
to the poop pile. Mash it up.
poop pile.
Here's some more poop.
Yeah!
Ooh, the poop pile's getting pretty big now.
No,
Ooh, look how pretty it is.
last eggs.
Ooh, we got one more. We got an orange heart on this one. And this one's kind of like rosy gold.
I still want the rainbow peacock.
Okay, well, let's see what we get.
This one likes to dance. Look at my one. It's so cute. Wow! Wow!
Emily's clue is I heart mountains.
Yeah.
Chloe's clue is I heart sun. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's reveal those hearts.
It looks like a sun. Just
Is it a sun? Oh no, it's a crown.
It's a crown.
It's like a king crown. Interesting. Okay. And Emily. Pizza.
Pizza, yummy! Hey, you got the sheep.
Yeah, you think so?
It had a pizza on its heart.
Oh, maybe that's right. Okay, let's open them up.
I did get the sheep. And I just got this.
You got the lion. Oh, that makes sense. Lions are kings of the jungle. It's like Simba.
And it's already opened.
Uh-oh.
Mine's already opened.
What? What happened? All right, so here's our rainbow corns, and they have their hearts in now. So this is the king of the jungle. And then this one, just like pizza.
Yeah.
It's a cute sheep. I like this one a lot. And then the little babies that we got.
Mine says a hat.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Sparkly hat.
A little sparkly hat.
And
then
mine
we
has
got
a beard. And it has pink hair.
I think it just has a mane.
Yeah, it's a mane.
Here's the bracelets we got.
They're so pretty.
They are so pretty. And this one's yellow and orange. That's different.
Like a sunset.
All right, let's add to this poop pile.
Poop pile. Poop, poop, poop pile. Poop pile. Poop pile. It looks so pretty.
There's all the poop for the day.
Whoa. It's so soft. And it smells good. Yeah, it actually does. It smells really good.
Time for a stretch.
Woo!
Wow, that's
Smell
cool.
it from here.
It's so soft. Look at that.
It smells really good. So soft in the middle when you stretch it.
Mm-hmm. Here you go.
It's soft like a pillow.
Whoa, that's super stretchy.
Yeah. It smells really good. It smells really good. Wow.
Look at all the rainbow corns we got today.
Yeah, we got 6.
They're so fun.
Yeah.
Do you know their names?
Willow.
Oh, that's Willow. That's right.
Yeah. I forgot her name.
Jazz.
Jazz, and her name is Bella.
Bella.
Bella. Yes, I
Yep. And then Chloe, do you remember your lion's name? It's Leo.
Leo.
Leo, and then that's Glimmer, the special one. And then your last one was Luna, right?
Luna.
Awesome.
That's for everyone. I got rainbow ones. Thank you, ZURU.
Thank you, ZURU, for sending all these rainbow corns to us today.
Yes, and they're all our friends.
I know, they're so awesome. Thank you so much.